Three girls each select one ribbon at random, one after the other, from a bag containing 8 green ribbons and 10 red ribbons. What is the probability that the first girl selects a green ribbon and both the other girls select a red ribbon? So what we're looking at, so what's the question? The question is, what's the chance, what's the probability of the first one being green? So the first one green, and then a red one, and then a red one again. So this is what we need to do. Now let's have a quick look. What I'm going to have is I'm going to have a red, and I've got green. Let's just turn it around. Let's say this is green and it's red. We have 8 green ribbons and then 10 red ribbons. Now the setting out is going to be, in future you don't have to do it this many times. I just want to show you exactly where this comes from. We are going to quickly talk about, or when you do this, we're going to say the chances of, so the probability of on the first go have a green, we can see is going to be 8 out of a total of 18. So my first draw, I'm going to have 18. I'm going to have a total of 18 ribbons. So in my first draw, the chances of getting a green is just going to be 8 out of 18. Right, now that was the first draw. With my second draw, it means that a second girl now needs to find a red, given that the green has been taken on the first one. Now, if I've taken a green one, there will be 7 remaining green ones remaining, 10 red ones, and there will be a total of 17. So for this second girl to find a red, given that the first one is a green, will be then 7, that's a lie. There will be 10 red ones, so there will be 10 left out of 17. For the third girl, the probability will be red. What's the chance of getting a red one given, and the red and green has already been taken, which means that that's going to be, because she's taken a red one, there's only 9 left, which means there are 16 ribbons left now. So her chances is finding 9 out of a total of 16. Now I can go back and say the probability of having green and red is the same order that we have gone down over here. Okay, so it doesn't matter which order. That's going to be 8 out of 10 times. Remember, in probability, if I say and, it is multiply 10 over 17 and 9 over 16. And if I multiply that out, my answer is 5 in 34. Okay, and 5 over 34, 5 divided by 34. If this is a non-calculator, you'll just leave it as 5 and 34. You'll need to be able to simplify that. So just a quick look. That 10 and that 10 cancel. 8 goes self once, in 36 twice. 1 times, how did we get to 5 over 34? Oh, this is out of 18. Let's just undo, do. All right. This is 1 in 18. My bad. So just simplifying fractions, 8 goes self once and 16 twice. 9 goes self once in 18 twice. 2 goes self once in 10 5. 1 times 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 17 times 2 is 34. Okay, so that is how we got that. That stays 5 in 34. Oh, sorry. If you have a calculator, it's probably easier to say it is 0.147 or 14.7%.